Hello, and welcome to the short video presented by Volvo Cars Saint-Léonard, in which we will show you how the sunroof of your Volvo works. For those who own a Volvo 2023 model and up, all you have to do is look above your center mirror and you will notice a small notch. This is where all your roof adjustments are located. To begin, simply slide your finger from the front to back in this notch to open the roof. Once it is open, make the same movements again. The roof will open completely. To close it, you just have to make the opposite movements and pass your finger from the back to the front. There is also a possibility to open a sunroof window at a small angle. To do this, you only need to touch the rear end of the touchpad, and to simply close it, tap the front end of it. We hope that this video has been useful to you and that it may help you in the use of your Volvo. If you have any other questions or topic you'd like us to cover in another video, please feel free to comment down below. See you soon and enjoy driving your Volvo.